Welcome to Zero to Alpha 2.0. This is probably one of the best decisions that you have made in your trading journey, which you're going to remember forever, because this course is about to change your trading game and your perspective, at least towards trading. The way you are going to look at trading is going to change, and trading is going to get very, very simple for you. I'm not going to say it's going to become easy, but it will definitely become extremely simple, and you will have a clear roadmap in terms of what you're supposed to do exactly. Now, this is the boring lecture which nobody wants to watch, which is the introduction, but the fact that I'm making it means that it is important and you should watch it, because this is going to explain you how exactly you're supposed to go through the course and what should be your mindset as you watch this particular course. Now, this course is designed in a way where you are supposed to look at it as a university, as a assignment, as something that you have to work upon and slowly learn, right? Don't just ram through this fucking course. Don't just watch all the fucking video, because again, you're going to be wasting your money like that. I've put in a lot of effort into each and every lecture, each and every video. There are videos that I've shot multiple times because I was not satisfied with what was the output. So trust me, I've put in a lot of efforts, and for the price I'm giving this to you, it's just peanuts, right? And that you will realize obviously once you finish this course. Now, if you're somebody who has bought this course through Telegram or through pirated or a pirated version or through unethical means, I want to give you a very important message. I'm not going to talk about how shit of a person you are, but what I want to tell you is that if you don't even have 10,000 rupees to spend on a course, you cannot become a trader, my friend, because trading requires capital. And if you have a mindset where you're trying to freaking save even on 10,000 rupees of education, then I don't think you have enough of a mindset to even gather capital for trading and in fact make it work for yourself. So you've got a major mindset issue. But again, anyways, I don't really care, because I'm still going to make thousands of dollars from trading. I'm still going to make a lot of money and still keep doing whatever I'm doing. But for the people who have got this course through official and ethical ways, I want you to know, like I said, that this course is going to require you to put in a lot of efforts. And if you truly want this course to benefit you, then you have to follow each and every step given by me throughout this particular course and implement this. I can guarantee you, and it is a promise from me after spending 6 years in the financial markets, it's a promise from my side that if you do exactly what is being told in this course, if you follow exactly everything step by step, nothing can stop you from becoming a consistently profitable trader in the next 1 year. All the best. I'll see you inside.